Hey friends, it's your favorite strawberry bitch back with another video. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a little St. Patty's breakable heart, and it's so freaking cute. If you guys decide to recreate this, please tag me. I can't wait to see it. Also, if you guys want to see more of my goodies, go ahead and just follow me on my Amazon storefront. I do add things that I use on a daily basis, or for other boxes that I do have posted on there, and you can go ahead and find everything that I use. So I did end up using almond bark for this whole set. It's like so easy to melt, to work with and stuff, and plus I was just gonna give this to my niece, so yeah. Usually this chocolate does take about a minute and a half to melt, and I do suggest doing intervals, so like 30 seconds in the microwave, mix it up a little bit, 30 seconds in the microwave again, mix it, and then another 30, and then you're good. It's super easy to work with, so if you're a beginner, I definitely recommend this white chocolate and also the milk chocolate. I attempted to draw on the 4-leaf clovers, but I don't really think it worked out. I mean, like, it's still cute and you know what I was going for, but I feel like I should have worked on it a little harder, but they still came out really cute. Let me know what you guys think. So I did this pattern around the whole berry, and then I kind of went back and just added on little random dots of yellow, so it kind of looks like little specks of gold, you know what I mean? Like, that's what I was going for. I think it looks super cute. For my next berry, I actually don't know how I feel about it in this box, because I did end up doing some blue, because I was like thinking about, like, you know, the sky, and then I was gonna put a rainbow sprinkle on it. I was like, okay, the sky, the rainbow, you know, super cute. But then I don't know, it looked kind of random in the box. You guys tell me what you guys think. I'm still about it. And to achieve this green, I did end up adding a little bit of the forest color mill, and it's so freaking cute. Even though I covered it up with sprinkles, I'm gonna use it later. But yeah, I ended up finding these sprinkles at Hobby Lobby. They were $5, but I believe I did get them 40% off, so it was a little steal or whatever. You guys, for this strawberry, it came out so freaking cute. I decided to add on a little beer, and not just any beer, but a green beer. And I think it came out so cute. It's the first time I've ever done a beer berry, and I've always wanted to make one since last year around Father's Day, but I just never got around to it. And here it is, y'all. It's so freaking cute. Okay, but not me saying so freaking cute like 100 times. Don't mind me. I just be super juiced about my berries. But anyways, so I did do like a drip on the top, and just so you know, like how beers be foaming up and stuff, I try to give it that illusion. So I did do like the drip drizzle kind of, but like more separated and not too perfect. And then I did go back and do like little random bumps. You'll see in the video in a bit. So since the chocolate was actually already hardening a little bit, I didn't wait until it hardened all the way, because I wanted it to, like, how do I say, kind of like it's bubbling instead of me going back and doing the dots perfectly. I hope you guys know what I'm saying, but yeah, it was cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this freaking berry. It's actually a little pot of gold, you guys. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god, here I go saying cute again. I'm sorry. I'll try not to say no more. But anyways, I don't know if you guys remember the little cauldron that I made for my Hocus Pocus set, but it's basically the same thing. I just tried not to do as many little dots as I did last time. But yeah, this is like super easy. I just did that black line. I filled in the top with white, and then I went back once it was dry, and I did a bunch of little dots, and look how freaking cute it is. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Clearly we can tell what I be saying all the time. But anyways, once you're done with all the like dots and stuff, just let it dry. And then if you have like a metallic gold, go ahead and just paint it on the top, and it comes out so freaking cute. If you guys don't have a metallic gold, I would suggest using yellow food coloring to dye the chocolate, and that way it gives it the same effect. You know what, you guys, now that I'm looking at this berry, I don't even know why I did that line, the black one, because you can't even see it. So I mean, it still looks really nice, but I feel like maybe you can skip the black line step, but it's still cute, period. And OM freaking G, this berry is so cute, and I'm gonna say it again, it's so freaking cute, you guys. My little leprechaun is so handsome. Tell me why my sister said he looked like a cholo. I was like, girl, chill out, don't be hating on my mans over here. But anyways, I did actually start off with a peanut butter base. If you guys want to see a flavors video, comment down below, because I do actually have a bunch of flavors, and I have not seen some people have these, so let me know if you want to see my golly sweet secrets or whatever. But anyways, I did dip it in peanut butter, and then I ended up dipping the top with green because I don't have like a hat mold for him, so I was like, let me just improvise and dip him in green. So to add a little bit more detail, I did do the little black line on the hat, and then I did a little buckle on him, because you know how leprechauns have that green hat with the black and then the gold buckle. You guys don't know what I mean? Yeah, y'all know what I mean. And if you guys watched my Christmas video, I believe it was the Christmas set with the Santa Claus. Of course it was a Santa Claus because this is what I'm referencing. So basically my leprechaun is just like my Santa Claus. I did the little beard again, but this time in orange, and he looks so freaking cute. I just did a bunch of like little circles, so it kind of adds a more definition into his beard. And you kind of want to do this step when the chocolate is a little bit more on the thicker side, because if you do it when it's still like warmish, it's gonna just end up being super flat, and it's not gonna give it that same definition that I'm talking about. So after you finish that step, just go ahead and draw his little mustache, and that's what he looks like. Isn't he so handsome? And of course, because I did say gold buckle, I did do it. So yeah, just be careful, because I did mine's a little messy, but you know what, he's still cute. You guys, let me show you guys a little trick I do. So I already had green done, and I wanted to do a green marble, but I wanted it to be more of a white with green instead of green with green. You know what I mean? Well, if you don't, just watch what I'm doing. So I ended up adding some white in there, and then just mixing more food coloring, so it gives it more of like, you know, like, I don't know how to explain it, like shape or something. I don't really know. But anyways, it comes out exactly how I want it. I just add it in there and I swirl it around, and it does not like look messy or nothing. Like, watch when I get it out of the mold, it looks so freaking dope. You guys, and I don't really know why my chocolate ended up looking like that. You see how it's a little thicker on some parts? I really don't know. But it doesn't really matter, because it's just for the heart, and it doesn't end up messing it up or anything. So yeah, look at that heart. I just ended up splashing some gold on it to add more extraness, because y'all know me. So it came out exactly how I wanted it. And I did not show you guys the little details I added, because I just had a crazy day. I was actually babysitting my niece, so I did all this while babysitting. So on the little beer, I ended up using one of my molds to do a C, and then I just glued it onto the side, so it's like a little handle. And then I ended up just going ahead and putting the rainbow on the blue strawberry, and that's about it. And to finish off the box, I did end up adding marshmallows, and I went to go get some Lucky Charms, and I only used the leprechaun hat and the rainbow just because I like the vibe of them. I didn't want to add all of the Lucky Charms that it comes in the box. It just was gonna take away from my box. You know what I'm saying? And of course, if you know me, you know that I just never know when to stop. So, you know. So I ended up adding some glitter spray because glitter is everything. And I just went ahead and added the mallet. I did end up putting some gold coins. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Bye.